it's Laura Giles with Pan Society. Thanks for tuning in to another episode about plant lore. Today I'm talking about purslane. Now, are you starting to notice a trend? I hope so. When I talk about plants and animals, I'm picking the ones with bad reputations, the ones that people don't tend to like. And do you know why? Because I'm hoping to impress upon you the importance of every animal, flying, crawling, slithering, creature, every plant that we have. Everything is significant. Everything is holy. In our striving for bigger, better, faster, we always want the choicest cuts and the prettiest flowers. But when we do that, we end up missing all the things that make us healthy and whole. It's why we have supplements. We only eat the fancy, juicy things and not all the things that make us feel better. And purslane is one of those things. It's great medicine, a magical plant, and food. So let's start with the food. The next time you see some purslane growing in your yard, don't weed it, eat it. It can be cooked or eaten raw and is super nutritious. You can use it in soups or stews as a substitute for spinach. It's one of the best sources of omega fatty acids, so you can throw your supplements away and just go grazing in the yard. Purslane is used for mood stabilization, to boost the immune system, and for arthritis pain. Juice from the leaves is commonly used for soothing burns, insect bites, and stings, and it's also used for earaches. You make a tea with it, it can help with diarrhea, stomach ache, and urinary tract infections. It's also great for the skin. It can be used as an astringent to treat acne and wrinkles. So let's put some on our face. And what if you have worms? Guess what? Take some purslane. Seriously, it's a worm expeller. So it's a good thing to have around if you have pets. People are not great at washing their hands. I'm just keeping it honest. Not going to say anything else about that, but just putting that out there, okay? So now that we know what this plant can do for us medicinally, let's talk about its magical uses. Purslane is feminine. The element is water and its astral body is the moon. If you know anything about the moon, you can make some educated guesses about the properties of purslane. So it's good for sleep, love, luck, protection, and happiness. You can lay it on your bed at night if you're prone to nightmares. You can carry it. It'll bring you good luck. Soldiers used to carry it in battle for luck. If you sprinkle it on your floors at night, this will bring happiness, and it'll protect spirits who come wandering in the night. This might sound bizarre or superstitious, but people were more in tune with energies when they lived closer to the earth. We can learn a lot from them. If you doubt it, try it for yourself and see. It's not hard to find. This stuff is everywhere. Even if you didn't know what it was called, I'm sure you've seen this. But in case you didn't know what it's called, it's also called pigweed in portulaca. You can just go outside and find it wild. It's everywhere. Be careful though. There is a poisonous lookalike called spurge. And the difference is that purslane is hairless and it won't ooze out a white substance when damaged. Just squeeze it, just to be sure. Both are low to the ground, have thick stems, and green oval leaves. I hope this enriches your knowledge of what many people consider a weed. Before you go spraying noxious chemicals on our plant friends, think about what they do for us. When spirit leaves us such hearty and abundant medicines like purslane, it's probably because it's so widely needed. I will take that as a sign to use it. What do you think? What's your experience with purslane? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget the raffle for the spring retreat. One lucky person will get a free retreat March 22nd and through the 24th, 2019. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the YouTube channel and we'll draw one lucky name on March 5th. See you there and don't forget to subscribe.